Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user and you have burden on your mobile phone and you don't know how to clear cache on your mobile phone, how to clear wasted data, so let me know in this video and I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your data. So here you have to go to your setting. First of all, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now search for apps. Here you have to, I'm going to clear cache of Siri. Safari is an app that created all the wasted data. So in you have to go on Safari. After that, here you can see on the there's a lot of option on appears on a screen, so you don't need to know about these options. You just go to scroll down and here you can see there's an option clear history and website data. So these history clear history, you will delete history from your app, but it will not permanent delete it. So here this is the option from which you can delete permanent cache of your phone and your phone will be clear. So you have to select last hour or today, monthly, or all the data. So from here you have to click on the all the data. So all the data of your history or anything of your mobile cache will be deleted from here. So this is very easy and basic step by using which you can easily delete it all the cache on your mobile phone and your mobile phone will working smoothly. So hope so friends you enjoy watching this video. And there's also an option how to block all the cookies. You have to go to website data. Now you can say I deleted all the data and you have to clear the all the cookies. So hope so friends you watching enjoy this video, and this is very learning video, informative video for you if you don't know how to clear cache on your iPhone. So stay tuned with this channel for more updates like this is very informative channel, and you can also learn a lot of things about your iPhone if you are iPhone user. So hope so you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.